Hi, everyone. This is LP's girlfriend. How's everyone doing? It's Christmas Eve. There's our tree with our gaudy angel on top. Look, I've got warm white lights on the Christmas tree. And then there she is with her LED lights changing constantly and her wings flapping. But she sure is calling lots of attention to herself, and she's making me feel very loved. So this is our Christmas morning gifts to exchange, and then over here we have gifts to take to my mother's and a whole lot of stuff. And in case anybody was wondering, there's my giraffe. And I don't know if you see this, but LP is on the stocking. It actually has his name, but we didn't want anyone to see that.
That's just silly.
Hi. I'm not sure why he wanted me to start this video,
We got to open these. We got stuff from the followers. And
gifts? I love gifts.
Okay. So first and foremost, this one's from Catitude. You're gonna love this. Me not so much, because since I did it already, I'm kind of trying to hide it over here. But apparently, I have to.
Oh my God! It's a Teletubby.
No, and she covered all of her bases. All of her bases have been covered.
Oh.
There we go. The things I do for you guys.
I mean, she's a long-time follower, so
Yeah.
you know,
One
you
of my
have to
first.
take care of her.
This is the sex toy that she sent me. Am I
That's
wearing this right?
I don't think that's how it
You
goes.
don't think so?
No.
Like
There
that?
it is.
There it is.
Aw.
All
That's
right,
so
and this is
cute.
the confused sex toy.
Oh my goodness! I wish I knew the Teletubbies' names, because
Yeah.
there's probably
Somebody
something
put them
to
in the
them.
comments. Somebody put them in the comments. All right, so and then that's enough of that.
Thank you,
All right, And
Catitude.
then Cindy sent this to us.
Cindy.
This is pretty interesting here. It says keep refrigerated.
Well, it's been pretty cold.
I think it's been pretty cold. So we're gonna open this up, see what she sent. That's interesting. It has
I hope it's not caviar or something, because that would be not good.
You got that down here? There you go.
Sorry.
Don't worry about me. Worry about the box. There we go.
Okay. All right.
We're
So
gonna
we're
have
doing
to-
an unboxing now.
We're gonna have to worry about your
Ooh,
videographer.
Cindy, you're awesome.
All right. It says Danish bakery. Off that is Danish Kringle.
Oh,
All right. Get rid of all this mess.
wow.
Let's see what's in the little box here. All right. No, you can't see it.
I want to see.
All right. So it says American Danish Delights.
Oh my God.
It says Danish pecan sticky buns.
Oh my
Do I have
God.
to bake this? Do I have to bake this,
please,
Cindy?
yes. Please, yes. Say yes.
But can you see
Oh my
what it looks like?
God. Warming and serving recommendations on back.
Okay.
So you don't have to bake it.
Perfect.
You just have to warm it.
Perfect.
It's recommended anyway.
All right, we're gonna move that all the way over there, and let's see what's in the big box. Okay. Time to be smarter than the box. There we go. Oh, it's wrapped. Great, it's wrapped. Danish Kringle serving instructions. I smell something. Kringle is best served cut at room temperature or warmed in the oven. I don't know what Kringle is, but
I don't know what
smells
Kringle
delicious.
is.
Well, there's a box in a box. All right, and there's the box. Let's see what's inside. Are you looking down at this?
I am.
All right.
What is it?
I don't know. It says Danish Kringle. I'm going to have to Google what Danish Kringle is. It's clearly a food that I can't see. So, a really kick-ass box.
Wisconsin
Kris
Kringle.
Kringle. Yeah, let's
Baked fresh daily?
Oh my
What
God.
did I just see?
You saw a ginormous
Oh my
Pringle
God,
the
that
Monster
looks
Cinnamon Roll.
so good. I want to bite. I want to pee. Can we eat it right now?
I don't know. Hold on. Ingredients. Delivery. You know, I'm gonna bet it looks like it's already cooked. It looks like it's already cooked. So, hold on. I'm gonna give you a little piece. Oh, it's got filling in it.
Oh
at that.
my God. What? Oh, okay. I'll let you see. Oh.
It's like berries or something.
I don't think you should eat any.
You don't think it's safe for
LP
I
consumption.
gotta be careful. This wrapper wants to eat all of the sweet stuff on top of it. I'm gonna have to fix this off camera.
Oh,
all right, guys. I just wanted to drop you. This is
God.
a beautiful box. This is a beautiful box, guys. Got this. We got this. This is all gonna go into our tummies sooner or later.
Sooner.
Make sure you're looking at me. Thank you, because I am the star of the show.
He's not.
I want to thank Catitude and Cindy and whoever else sent stuff. It's truly appreciated. Truly appreciated. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. This is going to go out to you guys first, and then it'll get dropped later on today for the rest of the people so they can see how fabulous you guys are. All right, guys. That's going to be about it. Merry Christmas, and I shall see you guys after the Christmas time. Stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Have a great Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.